Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica with MShaunPlans, and today is new pen day. So I received a pen and ink from Pen Chalet. I reached out to them about doing a collaboration and they were very happy to oblige. So thank you to Pen Chalet. And I, guys, excuse me, I am fighting this pollen here in Alabama. But they sent over a Benu pen and then a new ink from the Van Diemen's new collection, Birds of a Feather, and they gifted me Laughing Kookaburra Crest. I like the name Kookaburra. Don't ask me why, I just do. So this is what the ink looks like in the bottle. This is I like this bottle. This is very cute. And I will be completely honest, this is my second time filming this video, so I apologize. But this is Birds of a Feather, Laughing Kookaburra Crest. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit. There we go. See if you can see the bottle a little bit more. There we go. Again, please excuse my voice. The pollen is really over here doing its thing. So this is a part of the Birds of a Feather collection. So let's go ahead and we'll swatch the ink first, and then I'll show you what pen I got. And I'm just going to be using my Galen Leather Everyday pad with Tomoe River paper. So, and this pad does exactly what I wanted to do, just write every day. Sometimes I just want to get in here and write, and that's what I do. So I'm just going to put this paper is so thin. Like that was 3 sheets and I had no clue. Okay. There we go. So we're going to swatch this particular ink, and I just have a Q-tip, nothing fancy. Okay. And I know I'm behind on videos, so I'm trying to catch up. When I filmed this video the first time, I didn't like the way the footage came out. It was like you couldn't see anything, so. And then the audio was messed up, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna redo it. Okay, so it's like this. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get to my little thing that I have all of my used Q-tips in, because I use the other side. So this is like a deep grayish color. It's very pretty. See what it looks like when it dries. So I'm just going to use my I'm going to use my dip pen from Pilot. And I like this dip pen because I like the way it coats. Not sure if you can see it. So this is Van Diemen's. Just gonna re-dip. Okay. So as it is drying, I see some elements of that really dark gray, that black. I don't see any blue here, but I'm loving the way it is drying on paper. And then the writing sample. So I will go ahead and admit, along with the fact that this is the second video I've done on this particular ink, that I do have it inked in the pen that Pen Chalet gifted me. So I'm gonna go ahead and reveal that now. This is a Benu pen. It's so pretty, y'all. And this is the Benu Briolette Eden, and they gifted this to me in fine. And yes, I did put everything back in the box. So I love the way the Benu pens come. So it comes with this pen sleeve, warranty and instructions, a huge ink cartridge, and that is in the color blue. And this is the pen. Oh, it is so beautiful. I love the silver flecks in it. You can see where it says Benu, and I have ink on my nail, which is okay because guess what? It just wipes off. See Benu right here, and I just want you to admire the shimmer. It is so pretty. And this pen is not postable, but it feels comfortable in my hand when I'm writing. This is a Schmidt fine tip nib. So again, when I did the video the first time, I did fill it with this particular ink. So we're gonna go ahead and give you a writing sample with this pen. But this pen is so pretty, you guys. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So let's just do this. And again, it is very comfortable for me to hold. And I'm trying to learn how not to grip my pen so tight, because I'm always the one that feels like I'm gonna lose it. So I'm gripping, I have a death grip like right here, and it makes my fingers hurt. So I'm trying to learn how to relax my hand just a little bit more. So that's why my handwriting is kind of off, because I'm used to doing this instead of just relaxing. So like right now, I still want to and I'm relaxed right now. Okay. I have to get used to writing with this one. Not sure if it's a little scratchy, but I like the feed. Well, I take that back. It's not scratchy. It's the feedback that I have to get used to hearing, because I'm not used to hearing feedback, because I'm always using like a medium or a 1.1, but the upstroke is good, and then you have the tines do spread just a little with your downstroke, and then you can kind of see. And I'll just bring that up just a little bit. Oops. Knocking stuff over on my desk. So you can see the upstrokes, the downstrokes, and then the curvy. And this is the way it writes. Again, I'm still shaky because I'm trying not to hold my pen so tight. But that is that. Again, this is a beautiful pen. If anybody knows me and has been around a while, I love the color blue. Green is my favorite color, but blue holds a special, special place in my heart. So, and this one did come with a converter. If I can get it off. There we go. It's coming out. Oh, wow. Okay. But this one did come with a converter, your standard international converter. And of course, this will be part of my Currently Inked in March. I'm waiting on one thing to come before I film my Currently Inked video. So I can't wait to get that and get that filmed. But this is the new ink and pen. Thank you to Pen Chalet for considering me for promotion and whatnot. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you so, so much. That is it for this particular video, you guys. Again, thank you so much to Pen Chalet. And in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.